You want it? You want it?
So, it turns out there were 1,000 tiny birds living in my rib cage. Some kind of cosmic mix-up at the factory. Somewhere, there's a bird cage you don't want to think about. But so anyway, one day my rib cage cracked open in honestly a not unpleasant way. Like opening a jewelry box. And these birds in my rib cage burst out in a way in furious, ecstatic conversation.
But I was fine before I was born.
No me was harmed in this. I unfolded in an impossible way, released the flock, and folded back softly, like building a layer cake of flesh. The birds now reside in a huge bird tenement, a giant bushy tree that hosts twice daily vociferous debates, dawn and dusk. An explosion of bird talk about what it's like to be free.